Did you know Disney princesses are just like us? Of course they are. Yeah, they talk to animals and always have the best views. But if you take a closer look at their daily lives, you'll see they're just like us. I'll prove it. Disney princesses have friends galore, just like us. The friends who are always honest, who celebrate our good hair days, or call out our bad hair days. And this is Friendship Hair Care Extraordinaire! When Disney princesses roll with their friends, they're rolling on the floor laughing with them. A lot! From the tiniest giggle to a big ol' LOL. Disney princesses keep all their friends in on the joke. We do that too. They're our BFFs, and just like the Disney princesses, we're always looking out for our friends. Always being loyal to them, and always standing up for them, no matter what. Because they're the besties better than the resties. Now you know, princesses, they're just like us.